Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Pulse Daily. I will show you how to read the CSV file in Google Colab and display it.in this code. We first import the Pandas library using import pandas, as PD pandas is used to work with tabular data such as CSV files. Next, we import the files module from Google.Colab, which allows us to upload files from our computer into the Google Colab environment. The statement files.upload opens a file picker. After selecting the file people.csv, it is uploaded to the current Colab session. Then, we will read the CSV file. Like df, which is dataframe, is equal to pd read_csv, people.csv, reads the uploaded CSV file and stores its contents in a dataframe named df. Finally, we will print the contents of file, as writing df displays the dataframe in a neatly formatted table, allowing us to view the data stored in the CSV file. As you can see, output will all the data. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.